Yo, what's up, guys? Gerald the Mexican right here. I'm about to climb a tree. You know I'm allergic to grass and cheese, so actually, I'm like climbing this. Shout out to my boy Stacy. Oh. Oh. I'm up here.
It's a little monkey.
Monkey see, monkey do. Come on, do it, monkey. Hold on, turn the camera to your face and let them see your face, man.
I don't. What? Do this one?
No, just show my face again, bro. Just show my face. I'll get to the next one. Guys, so this thing is incredibly little right here. Right, Stacey?
Mm-hmm.
So, I'm trying to go higher.
Climb right there. Climb right here, Josiah.
Oh, no, I can't do that.
Right here?
This one? Up there?
Yeah, up here.
Up here? No, I'm wrong. I stopped recording. Bye, guys.